Before starting video, please subscribe to our channel. Creating a Play Store application involves several steps, from planning and development to publishing and marketing. Here's a step-by-step guide. Plan your app. Identify the purpose and target audience. Sketch the UI/UX design. Choose the tech stack: native Android, Java, Kotlin, cross-platform, Flutter, React Native. Set up development environment. Install Android Studio. Set up Android SDK and emulator. Choose a programming language: Java, Kotlin, native Android, Flutter, Dart, or React Native JavaScript for cross-platform. Build the app. Create UI using XML for Android native or Flutter, React Native components. Implement logic and backend Firebase, REST APIs, or databases like Sqlite. Test using Android emulator or physical device. Test the app. Use Android emulator for initial testing. Test on real devices to check UI/UX responsiveness. Use Firebase Test Lab or third-party testing services. Prepare for Play Store publishing. Create a Google Play developer account, $25 one-time fee. Follow Google Play policies to ensure compliance. Generate a signed APK Android app bundle file. Create an app icon, feature graphics, and screenshots. Upload to Google Play Store. Log into the Google Play console, click on Create App and fill in the app details. Upload the AB file Android app bundle. Set content rating, app category, and pricing: free, paid. Submit for Google review, takes hours to days. Promote and update. Optimize for SEO App Store optimization with keywords. Share on social media, forums, and ad campaigns. Monitor feedback and release updates. Thank you for watching video. For more informative videos, please subscribe to our channel.